Hey BitTorrent holder, this is an urgent video for BitTorrent holder because first of all, if you can see here, the crypto market already badly fails down. Therefore, this video is very special and urgent for BitTorrent because BitTorrent also fails down. You can see here what's my prediction to upcoming down. They going up or they fails down. What's the BitTorrent target? BTT target is very important to you know about the BTT target. They can hit it or now. So let's get started the price prediction of BitTorrent first of all. But I request you please, if you are new, then please click the subscribe button. Subscribe this channel and take touch with us. Please keep touch with us. If you touch with us, then I guide you every time, every news of I update you, my friend. This time, if you can see here in the last 1 hour, they also take again jump, my friends. They going up. You can see here this is the circulation. They take a high jump and they fails down. You can see here, but this time they very badly fails down, my friend. So what we do, if you can see here this time plus 0.31%. This is then positive, so this is good. You can see here the price is very cheap, my friend. I think you can see here they can hit it just at the end of 0.1 US dollar. This is the target, 0.1 US dollar as the target of BTT, and I hope they can hit it just at the end of month. And the next month target is 1 US dollar, my friend. 1 US dollar as the next month. Okay, I draw you first of all a chart to, of the last 7 days, and then you understand to they can hit it or now. Okay, so the last 7 days chart is very important, my friend. Okay, so please don't skip, like this video and subscribe this channel. Please brother, keep touch with us. You personally message me also on Instagram for more details and information. If you can see here, my friend, in the last 7 days they very badly fell down. You can see this is very small change, minus 1.51%. they fell down. This is not a big change, you can see here, but this time you can see here the price is also very high, 0.010962 US dollar. You can see here we cannot expect that today fails down, but I hope in upcoming days they also go up in upcoming days. So kindly please don't skip this video. You can see here first of all this is very highest jump, you can see here, and if they take a highest this type jump, then I hope they can hit it very high prices. You can see here after a fails they take again jump, my friend, and after a jump they fails down again, and after this fails they take a very high jump, and after this jump they also take a very badly fails down, my friend, and they are continuously. You can see here this time they fails down. But I hope, my friends, this is the circulation, and if you can see here after a fails they take a jump, and after jump they fails down, and after fails down they take a very high jump. So this is the circulation. I hope in upcoming days they going up. You can see here this time they can hit at very high price, and the price is 0.011, but here as you can see here price is 0.010 US dollar. So my friends, I hope in upcoming days they also going up. My prediction is very good, and upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket. So please don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they can cross it, the target 0.1 US dollar. They can easily hit it. Thanks for watching, my friend. Hope you understand something little, and please share your opinion to this selling time, buying time or holding time. My opinion is that to please hold it, and if you have any plan to buy more, then buy it and hold it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type videos.